Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 948, that is bag of tokens. And in this we'll be given a start. We have to start with an initial power of power and an initial score of 0. And we'll be given a bag of tokens which will be given as an integer array tokens, where each token I represent the value of the token I. And our goal is to maximize the total score by strategically playing these tokens, and in one move we can do either of these things. That is, if we are face up, that is if my current power is at least tokens I will play along and losing the power of the tokens I and gaining a score of 1. But if my score is at least 1, that is I have played at least one face up, what I have to do is I'll play play a token again, gaining the tokens ith power and losing one score. Okay, but the condition for that is I need to have at least score of 1. So we have to return the maximum possible score we can achieve after playing any number of tokens. And we are having, for example, the tokens of 100. This is my only token present in the tokens array, and a power of 50. So what I can do is I cannot pick up do any of the moves, because for that I need to have at least the power of tokens, and my power should be at least of tokens I, and my here current power is 50, and my minimum power that I'm having is 100, which is obviously greater, so my score comes out to be 0. But similarly, if we see in this question, that is 200 and 150, if I see that my power is 150, I can clearly use this 100th power and my score will reduce to 50. Now next I cannot play any move, so my maximum score that I can get is 1. Okay, so for this what we'll have to do is we'll be basically using a two-pointer approach again. We'll be sorting the tokens array and we'll be checking that if we can add it to the array or not. And so this is how it will be approaching. So let's have some variables, that is score, the left pointer and the right pointer, that will be equal to 0, and my left pointer will also be 0, and my right pointer will be of the length of tokens minus 1. And now let's just sort the tokens, that is tokens dot sort okay, sorry, length of uh, tokens minus 1. And then while left is less than or equal to right, what I'll do is that if I'll be checking my power is greater than or equal to my tokens left, what I'll be doing is I'll be increasing my first score, and then I'll be subtracting my current power, and I'll be removing the tokens left power from the power, and then I'll be moving my left pointer, left plus equal to 1. But else, if this is not the case, then here I have to check another condition, that if, oh sorry, lf, yeah, my left is less than right and my score is at least greater than 1. Okay, so in this case what I can do is I can firstly I'll be decrementing the power, that is score minus equal to 1, and then I'll be doing is power, I'll be increasing the value at the tokens right, and then I'll be decrementing my right pointer. Or else, if I cannot play any of the moves, I have to simply just return the score, and also here we'll be just returning the score. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, so it's wrong answer. Let me just have a look. Okay, so it says expected to. Uh, okay, so what I think, so we I'm having some error, that is score at least 1. Oh, score is greater than 0. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it looks perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.